Compass Plumbing and Drain is a locally owned and operated commercial and residential plumbing company located in Puyallup, Washington. If you are experiencing low water pressure, high water bills, or leaky plumbing, let Compass get your plumbing flowing in the right direction. Our staff of highly trained plumbers are skilled at residential, commercial, and industrial plumbing and drain services. We are available 24/7 to address your emergency plumbing needs. Give us a call today at 253-200-4377 or find us online at compassplumbinganddrain.com, or you can find us on Facebook, facebook.com/compassplumbing.